Hello guys, welcome to channel called Scarabyte, and today we will discuss how to edit our stream or how to edit our video. It doesn't matter. Yeah, you see that I have already like a lot of videos about secrets, about guides, about channel about optimization, and yeah. So then, how to edit our video or our stream, it doesn't matter. So first of all, you can see that here we have time for recorded time. Yeah, here we have CPU, so used CPU. Now you see that 4% is used. Here's the FPS of your stream. Yeah, so 60 FPS is really good, and it's average FPS that you have to have on a stream. So you can add you can put 120 FPS, but it's gonna take a lot of CPU and a lot of working on your computer. So yeah. So here we have like plus. You can put here and do a lot of things. For example, we can add a new scene and like in but this scene we can move to. I don't I won't move, because if I move to another scene you won't see me and maybe hear me. So yeah, you should to know how to add a new scene, but not for today's stream. So how to add, for example, a text. Yeah, like put plus. Here we should to find the text. Yeah, put here, and here we can select the font. For example, I don't know, let's select the any type of font. Something good. Yeah, we need, for example, this Troika regular. And for example, we are playing the Counter-Strike game, and we need to do, for example, I don't know, kills, elo, if we're playing, I don't know, face it, and wins. And here we can do like this. So lower the thing and put here, for example, and when we do the kills, I don't know, like put here 24 elo like this and win 5. Yes, so it's easy. So we can read from file. For example, we can install the application called SNAS, and there we can put timer, for example. Yeah, it's don't hard. Also, we can put a vertical text. Yeah, if you need this, we can change the color of all text, or put the gradient. Outline, we can the text, for example, dark black color, and so we can put custom text extents. Yeah, like but we don't need it right now. So yeah, I think will be the part 2 of this video. Thank you very much for watching. You were on channels called Scarabyte, and bye bye.